Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. This is Mohammed Saib live here in an epicenter in Marash. As you can see, the buildings around me is like something like a big bomb has hit this area. It's flattened. It's like something like, someone has broken the buildings into pieces. As you can see, you never know. There might be bodies in this area still. In this area, there might be bodies in this building at the moment, because there are still the buildings, there might be a lot of people in it. We really don't know. The situation is terrible and it's very cold here. We need your support, brothers and sisters, so that we can support the people and give them tents where they can actually live. Because right now the main concern is to give them place to sleep. The main concern is to make them warm, because it is very cold here and it is freezing cold. Our fingers are freezing, and imagine the people are sleeping on the streets. The people are just roaming around here and there. I'm sure you won't be able to see it well because it's night, but just see that building. Subhanallah, just see that building, how it has gone down. There must be people in it, and I'm sure the government is definitely supporting to take to rescue the people, but there might be so many people still stuck there. As you see here, see, this was a building, and you see this is a carpet of the house. You see this is somewhere like this is like a washroom, I guess. You see the places here, subhanallah. You see the building here, it is, oh my god. So you see the back of me, something like a big area has been vanished, completely broken into pieces. It's not even safe to go there. You see the bed here, how it's gone, subhanallah. It is terrifying, it is devastating, it is really heart-touching what the people would have felt. So see the area that side, it's like a big market, but there's nothing at the moment in this market. Everything is finished. No one can come and live here. Brothers and sisters, donate on aictglobal.org so that we can support these people. I'm Suhaib, you're live in Turkey. Jazakallah khair.